Let us solve another question which was given in GATE 2017 for 2 marks on pipelining. Here it goes. Instruction execution in a processor is divided into 5 stages: instruction fetch, instruction decode, operand fetch, execution, and write back. These stages takes 5, 4, 20, 10, and 3 nanoseconds respectively. A pipeline implementation of the processor requires buffering between each pair of consecutive stages with a delay of 2 nanoseconds, meaning each and every stage will have intermediate register which takes 2 nanoseconds delay. 2 pipeline implementations of the processor are contemplated: a naive pipeline implementation with the 5 stages, an efficient pipeline where the OF stage is divided into OF1 and OF2 with the execution times of 12 nanoseconds and 8 nanoseconds respectively. The speed up corrected to 2 decimal places achieved by EP over NP in executing 20 independent instructions with no hazards. Okay, if you can have a look at this question. In this question, there is a pipeline given with the 5 stages. And stage latencies are given here. Okay, and here he is saying, of course, there is a pipeline as given in the question, and there is one more pipeline which is an advanced pipeline than this pipeline, in which OF stage is divided into OF1 and OF2 with the execution times of 12 nanoseconds and 8 nanoseconds respectively. In order to achieve more speed up, you know that more the stages, more the speed up, less the stages, less the speed up. So in order to achieve the speed up, this designer inclined to go for more number of stages by improving the current pipeline. Let us have a look at this, how it is going to look like. There are 5 stages initially. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, and stage 5. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. Delays are 5, 4, 20, 10, and 3. 5, 4, 20, 10, and 3. There are intermediate registers as mentioned in the question. Each intermediate register will take 2 nanoseconds. This is a pipeline 1. Okay, in this pipeline 1, here the stages, number of stages, K is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, comma TP is equal to max stage delay plus max register delay. TP is equal to max stage delay, that is equal to 20, max register delay, that is equal to 2, that is equal to 22. Okay, now this pipeline is improved, that is, this pipeline is updated. How? The maximum stage, that is OF stage, the stage which takes maximum delay, has been divided into 2 separate stages, that is S1, S2. This S3 has been divided into 2, that is OF1 and OF2, and the remaining will be one and the same. This is only divided into 2 stages, okay, in the advanced pipeline. So that is, here the stage delays are 5, 4, this is 12, this is 8, because you can look at the question. An efficient pipeline where the OF stage is divided into 2 different stages, OF1 and OF2, with the execution times of 12 nanoseconds and 8 nanoseconds respectively. Okay, 12, 8, 10, and 3. Of course, there will be intermediate register. Each will take 2 nanoseconds. Okay, here the number of stages K is equal to 6. TP is equal to, what is TP? Max stage delay. Max stage delay is equal to 12 plus max register delay is equal to 2, that is 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. K is equal to 6 and TP is equal to 14. Now, we need to calculate the pipeline time for pipeline 1 and pipeline 2. So this is called naive pipeline. This is called efficient pipeline. Efficient pipeline. We'll calculate separately. Okay. So for naive pipeline, first start with the naive pipeline. Since there are no hazards, pipeline time will be equal to K plus N minus 1 into TP. K plus, what is K? K is equal to 5 plus N is equal to the number of instructions. What is the total number of instructions that are needed to be executed? 20 as given in the question. Let us have a look at this question. Number of instructions are 20 in executing 20 independent instructions. So number of instructions is equal to 20 minus 1 and TP is equal to 22. TP for naive pipeline is equal to 22. Just have a look at it again. TP is equal to 22. Okay, so that is 24 into 22. 24 into 22 is equal to 528. Okay, so come to efficient pipeline. Efficient pipeline. Time is equal to K plus N minus 1 into TP. That is equal to K is equal to 6 here, mind you. Number of stages in the efficient pipeline will be equal to 6 plus N will be the same. Number of instructions are equal to 20 minus 1 into TP is equal to, what is TP in the efficient pipeline? 14 nanoseconds. 14. Okay. That is equal to 20 plus 6 is equal to 26 minus 1 is equal to 25 into 14. 25 into 14 is equal to 350. So efficient pipeline time is equal to 350. Naive pipeline time is equal to 528. So speed up is equal to naive pipeline time by efficient pipeline time, right? Speed up is equal to 528, which is naive pipeline time divided by efficient pipeline time, that is equal to 350. So what is the answer for this? 528 by 350 is equal to 1.508. 1.508. So this is the answer. Answer will be 1.508. This is the correct answer.